Chinese Catholic potluck supper. This is the dessert table. Lots of dessert. There's a fruit tray. There's a candy, oranges. This is the cake that I made. This is a sponge cake. Some candy.
You like your dessert?
Yeah, I'm taking a movie. Now I'm gonna go to take the food. These are all the food.
These are your best friends.
All the food. Wow, look at that. Different food.
Oh yeah, you can sorry.
That's okay, I'm taking a movie, that's all.
Okay.
A video. What are those? Mushrooms. This is a vegetarian dish. Arlene, which one did you make? This is what I made. Oh, this is some kind of crispy pork. This is wrapped in tofu. I don't know what's that. That's wrapped in tofu. There's the egg roll. And this is a veggie. Which one did you make, Eileen?
This one.
Oh, what's that? Curry.
Curry.
What kind of meat?
Pork.
Pork.
And char-siu.
Oh, yes, yes.
I mean, chickpeas and all that. Which one you make?
Vegetable.
Where?
Here, in the Corningware. Pork. Sweet and sour cucumber. And this one. Just hold it and point to me. Hold it and point to me. Just point me. Look at me.
And then dito
No.
po. Point. Sandali lang. Video? Ano sasabihin mo? Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Ganda?
Huh?
Ang ganda. Ang ganda yung damit mo.